Okay guys, we're in the car. We're just gonna go for a quick drive just to see what's going on at the pole. I was actually sleeping. I was so exhausted after coming home from work, and I literally jumped up and I was like, OMG, because I voted already. Remember when I went at my drop-off box? So I just want to go and see what's going on. The calm before the storm. That's what they say. A storm is coming. So, it's gonna be the calm before the storm. But where's my invisible friend? My invisible friend is coming right back. I like hanging out with my invisible friend. And tomorrow may never be mine. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. Just one day. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. So for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. Hallelujah. Okay guys, I'm going to this polling place that they have inside of our community. I don't know if they changed it, because as you know, I didn't wait. I made my thing like, what, 3 weeks ago? So we're just gonna see what's going on in my area. Flip the camera, guys. So they changed the location in our neighborhood. So I'm gonna go outside at the address that they said that is closer to us. I never know say already. Okay guys, this is one polling station. I'm not even gonna go in there. See? That's a polling station. Nobody's actually there online. So, this is my neighborhood. All right? Let's go find another spot to see if there is anybody voting. All right? California state, you know, it's a Democratic state, and we're vote by mail. So I don't know if that's the reason why you don't see much people out today. But I won't say who I vote for. No, I won't. Back in the car. Guys, the road is empty. The road is empty. Boy, it makes me hungry. I'm so hungry. I told you I was sleeping, right? And I literally jumped out of my sleep. Guys, I can't bother to drive and look for no polling station because me not see none. Everybody mailing them vote already. And only 1 and 2 people me see at the poll. Me see. Can't bother. So listen what I'm gonna do. I'm going to show you a neighborhood that used to be the old Beverly Hills. All right, guys? I'm not going to tell you the celebrities that live in the area. When you give me enough subscribe, I tell you them. Share the thing if you don't want to know the thing. So it's set. I'm a dead serious. Look. See it now? Look at what the Lord has done for me. Look at what the Lord has done for me. Look at what the Lord has done in my life. If I'll ever lose my focus in Him, should I put my trust? Because the enemy plan is to distract me. But guess what? The enemy will never steal my joy. Okay, guys, here. Right up here on my left, I'm not telling you who, but there's a celebrity live right there, right here, because I know I work there. I won't tell you guys who it is. You gotta get me more subscribers. The old Beverly Hills. I wanna be with you. 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 Guys, this area is called Hancock Park. Hancock Park. All right. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. was driving past the other day. There is Nordstrom. See the name of the street, the Grove. There's an entrance in the back that is Valley behind here. But the front part is on Fairfax. So this is the Grove I tell you about. And when you come here, the reason why I tell you it's a must place to go is because a lot of celebrities are always in the Grove. So you might be lucky to run into a celebrity there. You know, we see celebrity all the time. It's like they're just normal people to us. They're just like me and you. Guys, when I make a left turn, I'm going to show you Britney Spears building. It's called The Zone. She had opened it right before COVID hit in April. And as soon as she opened it, COVID came and she had to close it down. And I think it will be opening in the ending of the year or next year. We were so happy in LA. Her fans were excited for The Zone. But now it has to close. So when I make the left, you'll see the pink building right ahead of me. There it is, guys. It's called The Zone. I'm actually going to turn into the parking lot and go around so you guys can see. I hope you can see the top of it. I love this cool mirror coming up. Look at this mirror coming up on your right hand side. Look, who is it? George Floyd. See? He said he changed the... Okay guys, as you know, I went to try and find the polling station. I can't find any. I see ballot boxes, like people are dropping off boxes. So, as you know, I take you guys for a little tour of Hancock Park, and we're back. So I'm home. I want to see if I can get an hour's sleep before going to work. And thank you guys for hanging out with me. This is the end of our video. I love you guys. Please remember, Fergie loves you to the moon and back. Peace out. Crazy, crazy Ted's out on the street, my FK gang. Beverly Hills cops are out in full force in every corner of every street that leads to the shopping area. And usually it takes me 25 minutes to get to work. It takes me literally 15 minutes. Guys, it's tens. The calm before the storm. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Sneak peek of those houses was great, huh? Love you guys. Bye-bye. Mwah.